If you are looking to gain time, more money, and just overall freedom, then stay tuned until the end of this video as I will be sharing 3 ways that you can make money at home in 2020. Hey everyone, my name is Jamerly and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than the rest. In today's video, I'm going to be addressing one of the biggest questions that I get asked all the time: how to make money online. If you are looking to gain time, more money, and just overall freedom, then stay tuned until the end of this video as I will be sharing 3 ways that you can make money at home in 2020. If you guys are solely depending on your job to be your only source of income, then you guys are making a huge mistake. Just take a look at what happened with this pandemic. In just a blink of an eye, hundreds and thousands of people lost their jobs and are without money to be able to pay for their bills, groceries, and just their necessities that they need. These 3 ways that I will mention can be used as a side hustle to make extra money apart from your full-time job, or can be scaled to actually surpass your income from your full-time job. I have personally seen these businesses scale to over $100,000 per month, and the only person that can put a limit to how much you make is yourself. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so for the first thing that we're going to discuss is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the art of selling other people's products and getting compensated for it. It is one of the best and easiest business models to get started making money online. Literally every business that you can think of has an affiliate program. Walmart, Target, Amazon, Nordstrom, Best Buy, literally every business that you could possibly think of has an affiliate program that you are more than able to join. Just think about the amount of times that someone has came up to you and asked, oh, hey, where did you get that shirt? Oh, what makeup product are you using? Now just think about the amount of money that you could have gotten if you were being compensated from these referrals. The perfect example of this is my YouTube channel and my blog. My blog consists of links, of which are affiliate links that I do get compensated from if someone was to purchase an item from them. One tip is that if you are going to start affiliate marketing, use products that you truly believe in and that you recommend and use if you are going to refer and recommend them to anyone. It just adds more credibility to what you're saying and what you're speaking on, and it truly shows when you are recommending it to somebody. The pros of affiliate marketing are living the dream lifestyle. It takes absolutely no money to start, and once you get the ball rolling, it's just passive income at that point. The cons associated with affiliate marketing is that in order for affiliate marketing to be successful, you have to build an audience that likes, trusts, and knows who you are, so that when you recommend this product, you have tons of people purchasing from you because they trust you, they trust your word when you say this product is great or this is a product that I use. Like that, you have a bunch of traffic that is going to your blog or wherever you're associating or linking that item in, that you have an abundance of people actually purchasing from it. With that, if you don't have a huge audience or if you haven't built a community around, then it will take a while to actually see and generate income from affiliate marketing. The next one is dropshipping. So you may be asking yourself, what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is where you are the middleman between the customer and the manufacturer, and where you profit more from selling the product or the item that you're selling for a lot more than the manufacturer does. So a perfect example of what dropshipping is finding a manufacturer that is in China that sells a bathing suit for just $2, you taking that item and you promoting it and selling it for $12. There you have a profit margin of $10, and that is what you just take home. The manufacturer then gets its cut and you get yours, and it's a win-win situation. And you can build your own site based on a niche that you personally love from sites like AliExpress. A very famous example of a dropshipping site is Zafool. All of us ladies know what Zafool is. If you don't, I don't know where you've been the past couple of years, but you can actually find Zafool's bathing suits on AliExpress for a lot cheaper than what Zafool charges for them. So sorry about that, Zafool, but it's just the truth. You really can, and that just goes to show it's a perfect example of what dropshipping is. Like I said, you are the middleman between the customer and the manufacturer, and you are just profiting from charging or upselling what that item originally cost. Another dropshipping example is that famous red bathing suit that we all remember a couple years ago that was promoted all over Instagram, saying that the bathing suit using this code would be free at the cart. Now, once you added that bathing suit and that shopping item to the cart, the bathing suit was free, but the shipping was an outrageous price. So if you think about it, was the bathing suit actually free? But that is another way and a perfect example of how you can actually make money with dropshipping. Pros to dropshipping are you don't have to make a product, and you are the middleman, and you make money from being the middleman. So the cons to drop shipping are that you have to advertise the products and the items that you are selling on your site, which means that money is associated with that because it's due to advertising fees. 2 is that shipping does take forever to actually get the item to your customer. If you are purchasing the item or using a manufacturer that is out of the country, you can work around that by using a manufacturer in the USA, but the charges and the cost is going to be a lot higher, and the whole point of drop shipping is to profit from having cheaper items that you can charge at a much higher price so that your profit margin is a lot more. And 3 is finding just a good and trustworthy manufacturer, just because I have heard some horror stories as to someone had sold some manufacturer in China's bathing suit, and the bathing suit came back ruined, and you obviously don't want that because then a lot of refunds come into play. So you just want to make sure that you do your research and you find a good and trustworthy manufacturer. 3 is my favorite, which is obviously having a social media marketing agency. This is my main business model, and this is the way I make the bulk of my money. So social media marketing is when a business pays you on a month-to-month basis to either manage their social media or run advertisements for them to either generate leads or sales. So my boyfriend and I have had our social media marketing agency for about 4 years now. It started off as Our Digital Services, and we recently rebranded it to JCN Marketing, and we could not be any happier with how well it has done and where it is going. We also have the luxury of being home and working anywhere we would want to. And with that being said, having your social media marketing agency obviously comes with a lot of pros, some of which are having clients that could pay you up to $5,000 a month, which obviously it could be a lot more, it could be less. It just depends on what you're actually doing for the client. But with having a social media marketing agency, the amount that you charge is limitless. Obviously not crazy amounts, but you can charge a lot of money, and that is why this is where I make the bulk of my money from. Another pro is that with having a social media marketing agency, you have the opportunity to help businesses grow from generating them sales and generating them leads that can convert into actually paying customers, and just having and building long-term relationships with other businesses and business owners. For your last pro to having your own social media marketing agency is that you only need a phone, laptop, internet access, and zero money down to start. The cons associated with having a social media marketing agency are: the first con is keeping your clients happy. You obviously want to ensure that you're providing your clients with the best results, just because you want to make sure that they are getting a good ROI, which is a return on their investment with you. The second one is actually getting clients. So obtaining clients could actually be pretty hard. It's one of the ones that I'm just gonna be straight up honest with you, is that me and Jonathan have struggled with. And in all honesty, you will continue to struggle with it throughout. Getting a good quality client is key, and obviously obtaining quality is hard. The best things in life aren't easy. 3 is just learning the skill sets that are needed in order to actually do what you're claiming to do for your clients and to obviously get them the results that they want. Social media is very adverse, and it is always changing. It's 2020, and there's still new things that are popping up every single day. So it is always important to stay on top of new social media trends. Restrictions are going on as far as advertising wise, because you don't want to be advertising something for your client and find out once you are about to push the ad out that you can't be doing this when you told them that you were able to. So like I said, it's always important to stay on top of what is new and always keep educating yourself, as knowledge is power. So that concludes today's video. Please comment down below which of these 3 business models interest you. Below, I have listed all of the softwares that I use for my business, so just feel free to go ahead and check them out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, as I will be coming out with a lot more content on entrepreneurship and business related videos to help those who are interested and want to actually start their own online business. Again, my name is Jamara Lee, and I want to thank you for watching today's video and hope to see you guys later.